Good day, panelists! We are here to present to you our research proposal entitled The Development and Sensory Evaluation of Ready-to-Eat Fruit Bar out of Papaya, Carica Papaya, and Banana, Musa acuminata ex balbiciana. To formally start, may I introduce to you our group. My name is Joyce Pablo together with my co-researchers, Ms. Saking and Ms. Eustachio. Tropical fruits are fruits growing in tropical places, warm areas with temperate climates such as Asia, Africa, Central America, South America, and other. According to the Food and Fertilizer Technology Center for the Asian and Pacific regions, due to the increasing demand over the years from 2008 to 2019, some of the popular fruit types gradually develop from subsistence level to ones that can generate income. This includes the globally traded major tropical fruits such as banana, mangoes, pineapples, avocados, and papayas to foreign markets. Moreover, tropical fruits are one of the main contributors to the agricultural gross domestic product, and the market for this in the world is expected to increase because of the awareness toward the health benefits from partaking in these commodities. Tropical fruits have high nutritional content, but it could only take 3 to 7 days of time storage. In line with this, since the Philippines is a tropical country and its fruit production system ranges to backyard to highly integrated operations intended for the export, the researchers aim to develop a fruit bar out of banana and papaya through the method of food processing to expand its time of storage. Thus, this study aims to investigate the overall acceptability of papaya-banana fruit bar. Specifically, the study seeks to answer the following questions. What is the acceptability level of banana and papaya fruit when processed as fruit bar? Is the product acceptable in terms of its sensory attributes, color, taste, texture, aroma, and general acceptability? Does the cost of production and final product reasonable? What is the overall acceptability of the product? To further discuss the other parts of the study, here is Ms. Saking.
Thank you very much. So due to the awareness toward the health benefits of papaya and banana, the researchers came up with the hypothesis. Fruit bar made out of papaya and banana fruit is more acceptable than the commercially available fruit bar because of its nutritional content, sensorial characteristics, and cost of production. The main objective of the study is to develop a fruit bar out of banana and papaya fruit that can be commercialized. Specifically, the study aims to determine the optimum level of incorporation of banana fruit with papaya in fruit bar manufacture, investigate on the level of acceptability of product in terms of its sensory attributes, color, taste, texture, and aroma, and general acceptability, and determine the cost of production for the final product. For the conceptual framework, the independent variable contains the varying levels of banana papaya in the preparation and manufacture of fruit bar to obtain the optimum level of incorporation of banana and papaya fruits to create the most acceptable papaya-banana fruit bar. For the raw materials and preparation, medium ripe to ripe but firm papaya fruits of Cagayan indicate with yellow to deep yellow-orange skin color, and fully ripe but firm banana fruit of Cagayan will be used for the preparation of the product. The fruits will be harvested and collected from Piat and nearby municipalities. Fruit samples will be transported to the food processing facility where the experiment will be conducted. Other supplies and raw materials such as refined sugar, food preservatives, sodium metabisulfite, and citric acid, and packaging materials will be purchased from the local markets in Cagayan. Figure 1 and 2 shows the schematic diagram of the manufacture of papaya and banana puree. Seeds from the fruits will be removed manually to obtain the flesh or pulp. The seeded fruit will be blended using a food processor until the consistency of puree was achieved. Puree will be pasteurized at 85 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Pasteurization is employed to kill spoilage microorganisms that may be present in the puree and to deactivate the enzymes from the fruits that may undergo reactions like enzymatic browning. Pasteurized puree of papaya and banana will be packed in a clean container then stored in a refrigerator or freezer. Optimization of papaya puree and banana puree concentration for fruit bar preparation. Here is Ms. Eustachio for the further discussion.
Good day, I'm here to discuss the methods for the preparation of fruit bar. Table 1 summarizes the different treatments that will be used for the manufacture of fruit-based confectionery out of papaya and banana. The recipe and procedure of fruit bar manufacture will be based on that of Andam and Namuco, 2 STP CRRD Mango Production Manual 2000 with some modifications. Figure 3 is the schematic diagram which shows the general process on how to manufacture fruit bar using the different treatments. Puree of 1 kilogram will be weighed. White refined sugar will be added to the puree to adjust the total soluble solids of the mixture up to 25 degrees Brix using a refractometer. 2 grams of citric acid will be added to inhibit the possible growth of microorganisms during drying. The mixture will be heated of 2 minutes at 80 degrees Celsius using double boiler method, then will be cooled at 40 degrees Celsius. After cooling, 2 grams of sodium metabisulfate will be added to the mixture. The mixture will be transferred to the stainless steel trays which have been previously smeared with glycerin. Trays will be loaded in a dryer and will be subjected for drying for 15 to 17 hours at 55 to 70 degrees Celsius until the moisture content of between 15 and 20% is obtained. And the sheets should be pliable and should not stick to the finger when touched. Trays with sheets will be unloaded then cooled. About 6 layers of the dried leather will be stacked and cut into 1 by 2 inches bars. Fruit bars will be wrapped using a clean polyethylene sheets placed in cartons labeled and stored. After the manufacturing, sensory evaluation will follow through quality scoring tests. Quality scoring tests, specifically 7-point rating scale, will be employed to determine the degree of acceptability or sensory characteristics of the samples from the 10 treatments based on the following sensory attributes: color, taste, texture, aroma, and general acceptability. 20 panelists consisting of CSU students, faculty, and staff will be chosen to evaluate the quality of the product. Panelists will be accustomed to fruit-based confectionaries and they will be oriented prior to the conduct of sensory evaluation session. Approximately 20 grams of the sample will be served fresh to the panelists in uniform sample containers. A score sheet with a 1 highly unacceptable to 7 highly acceptable scale will be provided during the evaluation. Panelists will be served with water and unsalted cracker to rinse their mouths before tasting each sample. The scores from the sensor evaluation of the samples of papaya and banana fruit bar using quality scoring will be analyzed using the analysis of variance or ANOVA. Duncan's new multiple range test will be applied to determine the significant difference among the 10 treatments. The test will be conducted at 5% level of significance. For the product costing, costs from the expenses of raw material production, packaging materials, and overhead costs will be accounted to determine the total cost of production of the product, Papaya-Banana Fruit Bar. The final computation of the costing will be used as basis for determining the selling price of the product. That would be all, and now we are ready for your questions, suggestions, and recommendations.